All right, we got a 2024 new unused. This is an AGT LRT23 skid steer loader, 32-inch bucket on there. So this one's got a little smaller bucket than the other couple we have that are identical. Quick disconnect, get the LED working lights on there. It's got the gas engine, runs very well. These things move pretty well on the ground. I'll fire it up for you. I don't have anyone to video me, but we'll fire it up. It's got the fan, no fan on board here. Anyways, here we go. Want to see one driving around, check the other listings, same unit, different size bucket. We got a video of it running around. Let's see here, preview day Friday, right before the auction. Day before, we're open from 9 to 4 for you to come check out all the items. And other than that, we will see you preview day. Thanks for watching.